Believe it or not, clickbait can actually have a place in your marketing strategy if it's focused and used wisely. If not, Google and industry experts like myself say it can actually hurt your overall marketing efforts. Keep in mind, an impression is a millisecond and a view count is 3 seconds. But are these numbers contributing to your overall marketing message or strategy? Marketers call these vanity metrics. You might look like an expert to others in your field, but are you convincing the end client that you're capable of taking on the job? The power in clickbait lies in drawing viewers back to your website to collect visitor data.